Hello there. Welcome to Retreat Bela, Natureza. Look at this paradise. Isn't it gorgeous? Here you will enjoy peace and quiet, deep connection with nature, and of course, the love and care of our adorable family of dogs. Look, look. Here you can meditate, practice yoga, chill out in the hammocks, or even enjoy a lovely small fire at night. All within these beautiful surroundings, letting birds and frogs be the soundtrack of your stay. Come join us for any of our retreat programs and let yourself be inspired and healed by the profound bond between humans and dogs. Hope to see you soon!